Hey guys, how's it going? Let's talk about Impact Wrestling from the 27th of April 2023. Firstly, and as always, this video in no way has been designed to deceive anyone. Due to copyright issues, there is no actual footage in this video. This video has been created to still photos only due to those same copyright issues. These are my audio only live highlights, updates, and results from what has taken place on tonight's episode of Impact Wrestling. Ladies and gentlemen, your main event of this edition of Impact Wrestling is a one-on-one singles match for the Impact Knockouts World Championship. Deonna Purrazzo, the reigning Impact Knockouts World Champion, will defend tonight against Taylor Wilde, one half of the current Impact Knockouts World Tag Team Champions. The Coven, or Coven, as Taylor and Kylie King are part of, have been targeting Deonna Purrazzo recently. But can Deonna manage to successfully defend her championship? Whatever takes place here, I will cover in the headline, and you guys are welcome to comment in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more.